Hey y'all, I'm back. I am doing a bomb-ass vegan chili. Now, it may be May, but that does not mean you can't still do chili. So I'm doing this recipe because I'll make another video about why I went vegan and all that stuff. Well, I'm really plant-based, not vegan. Not vegan, but plant-based, but I use them interchangeably for conversation. But anyway, I get a lot of requests for my recipes and a lot of questions asked about why I did it, how I did it, how I feel, all this other stuff. But when my husband, who's a very picky eater, like something that I make that doesn't contain meat, he's been free for now, I think three months or whatever. But when he loves it, then I know it's good. So I feel good about sharing my recipe with somebody else. So I already kind of chopped up everything first. And chili can be real good without meat. So basically what I'm doing, oh, shut up, Myra, talking about, oh, Lord. You know I'm good in the kitchen now. So you don't want to use olive oil, coconut oil. I know a lot of people cook with that, but you are not supposed to cook with that because when it gets to a certain temperature, it can actually be more harmful than good. So I use grapeseed oil, but I infuse it. This bottle is not Annie's, honey. I recycle. Hey, Artie. So what I do is I use grapeseed, but I infuse it with onions, scallions, shallots, and some other seasonings. So that's what, oh, my pot getting hot. Talking to y'all. So that's what I use for my base. Now, because I like everything to have a little bit of flavor in it. So what I did already is I cut up a half a cup of green pepper, half a cup of red pepper, 1 cup of onion, a 1/4 cup of shallot, and a half cup of orange pepper. But you can use whatever kind of pepper you want. Y'all know my house smells good. See? Smells good, don't it? So you just basically want to let that medium heat, like simmer till it's translucent, like 4 or 5 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to talk about why I went plant-based. Number one is because I had severe issues with my allergies and I was going to have surgery. It was that bad. So I decided that I would try to change my diet just to see if that would work. I did an experiment with myself. And when I gave up meat and dairy for a month, I had no issues with allergies whatsoever. So then I decided that that was good for me. But then when we went on our vacay, I was like, shut up, you can't smell it. But when I went on our vacation, I decided I wasn't going to punish myself. And I was like, I'm just going to do whatever I'm going to do. I'm going to eat. When we got back, I was sick all over again. So then I made an effort to just give it up for good. And then I had an issue where I found out I had fibroids. And one rather large fibroid that was in a place it didn't need to be in. And they tell you, oh, 70% of women have fibroids. So they act like it's fucking normal. It's not normal to have tumors on your uterus. Nothing normal about that. So that really bothered me. And I just wanted to do better. I wanted to eat better, just be healthier. And then the more and more I watched these documentaries, not just What the Health, because there were way more documentaries before What the Health that were informative and gave you a lot of information too. But just seeing what's in our food. And like one of the biggest ones, the high fructose corn syrup, that shit is horrible for you. If you look in your kitchen right now, I guarantee you got about a dozen things with that in it. Okay. So this is looking decent. Y'all can't really see too much, but it's not that much. So now I'm just going to add in my chickpeas. Yes, chickpeas, honey. You can do black beans, red beans, kidney beans, whatever beans you want to use. But I like to use the garbanzo bean because it's more of a natural grain. It's more in line with the alkaline diet if you look that up. So that's just 3 cups. So we're gonna mix that in. You hear my biggie in the background? Don't make your last meal ribs. You can do seitan for ribs, girl. Look, there's vegan mac and cheese. This is thebomb.com too. Who would have ever thought? I ate meat my whole life. I'm 43. So who would have ever thought? But you can get so creative in the kitchen, it's not even funny. So in that, I'm adding all my seasonings. That's like, okay, Italian seasoning or oregano, cumin, sea salt, Tony Surgeries. Girl, I gotta have a Tony Surgery. What else I got? Onion powder in here, and that's it. So like a teaspoon and half a teaspoon of each. Yup. I'm telling you, when I first made this, I wasn't sure it was gonna be that good. You know what I'm saying? But then when I ate this, I was like, damn, this shit good. And then when Kamani was like, yeah, it's good, I knew it was good because I told you we did. Now, so you can chop your own tomatoes up, but I'm lazy. So I just got a can of dice. You want to do 9 GMO. Right? That's a lot of tomatoes. Now, lastly, you're going to add like a little bit of water. I don't like adding plain water to shit because I'm all about flavor. So what I do is I take all my scraps, like all of my veggie scraps. You know how you cut the stems off of stuff and you throw them away, or the ends of a zucchini or whatever it is. I keep it in a Ziploc and then I just boil it in water and make your own veggie stock. Don't spend $2, $3, $4 on no damn stock when you could buy your own stock. That's 1 cup. So, but I just add a little bit at a time because you don't want it too soupy. Now, if you want it thicker, you can add a little bit of flour, like a spelt flour or something, and then add more seasonings or whatever you want to do. But let that cook for 1 hour on low. I'm telling you, you might have to adjust it to whatever you like, but this works for us. This works real good. And everything in here is healthy. Everything in here is good for you. I'm making a vegan chili. I was about to say lasagna. A vegan chili. And I know it's about to be summer, but it's okay. We can still have chili. So it's just tomatoes. What it is chickpeas. It's peppers. Any kind of peppers you want. It's green, red, yellow. Why didn't you use yellow? Orange. Then I got onions, yellow onions, and I have shallots, and I said chickpeas, right? And it's tomatoes. So you're just gonna let it simmer. It's just everything you will put in chili almost, but no meat. That's all, and it's all about the seasoning. So I just let this simmer, and I put my own homemade veggie stock, which is super fucking easy to do. So don't freak out about that. So it kind of looks like when you look at it, you be like, hey, that ain't gonna be good. Because it just look like a bunch of veggies. But trust me, when I say it's good, it's good. And, okay, it's alkaline. Now, we're going to talk about that later, alkaline diet. That's what I'm on. The concept behind the alkaline is that your blood, the pH of your blood is 7.3, some almost 7.4. So you're alkaline, your body is alkaline. So everything you put in your body should be alkaline. So, now, all the ingredients, like some of them seasons aren't necessarily bad, but that's why I stopped messing with garlic. But that's another conversation. So that gotta cook for a whole hour, and then most times I don't eat my stuff the same day. I eat it the next day because I believe in letting it sit and absorb all of those good ingredients, good seasoning. So I'm gonna just let that go for 1 hour. Also, yes. remember the $23 worth of stuff I made? The zucchini fries was one. This is the second. But this is about 5 servings in a bowl. So, chicken on a budget these days. I got bills to pay. I'm trying to do some things this year. So, other than being healthy and taking care of my body and seeing the difference. And by the way, just so y'all know, I did lose over 20 pounds. Okay? I haven't weighed myself in a couple of months because this is more about health than it is for weight. But I used to have, you can't see here, I used to have the biggest, like for me to be smaller, I used to have a little belly, but now it's pretty much gone. And that's because I've been eating right. Not even really working out. I ain't gonna lie, I've been lazy with the working out thing, but I've been eating well. So that's about it. So I ain't gonna keep y'all because it's gonna sit for an hour and I'm about to go do some other stuff like make some flour wraps. Maybe I'll do a video on that. So I'll see y'all later, but I will post a picture of it when it's done so you can see what it looks like. Okay? Bye.